like you. Be strong to hold the powers of the sun.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have this 2014 Chevy Impala and we're gonna program an additional key, and as you can see, just to show you that this key doesn't work at all, I'm gonna try to start it, and as you can see, nothing happens. It's not reading. I mean, we have to program the key. So the first step is put the key in ignition, open the ignition, on. Sorry for this, it's really loud. I know it's annoying. Okay, and in our tool, we're gonna select it's gonna be a Chevrolet. We're gonna select automatic selection. We're gonna read the password, the VIN number, and we press yes. And it says if it's a blade key, but I tried going to the blade key because we need the PIN number. So this is CAN, and I'm gonna read the password. It says that you need the USB and Wi-Fi connection for this. So I'm gonna try that one first, and if it doesn't work, we're gonna move to the next one, the smart key. Okay, it's reading the PIN now. And it successfully read the PIN number, so it's correct. We press OK, we save the PIN, and now we have to go to our control module, immobilizer CAN, and we're gonna add a new key. Make sure all the doors are closed. Press OK, and you already put the pin in, so this tool is cool. We just hit OK, make sure it is, checking pin, configuring system, and we're gonna wait 12 minutes until it programs the key, guys. So I'll be back once everything's ready. Alright guys, so it's been ready and the light for the anti-theft is still on. So let's follow the steps here. It's configuring the system. And please switch the ignition off and remove the key. Press OK. Please open and close the door. Make sure all electrical appliances are off. And everything's off. Press OK. Please insert the key that needs to be matched to the ignition switch. And we press ignition on. Press OK. Just wait. and put the ignition on. Press OK. And switch ignition off. Press OK. Switch ignition on. Press OK. And we see the anti-theft, it's already off, guys. So this is how you program the key for a 2013 Chevy Impala with the 2.5. And if you have a new key, just cut it. You can go to cut it and just get a tool, similar one, or you can get only this and pay the subscription to SPS. It's not that expensive. For the subscription is $40 for 2 years. And this tool, this is the newest one, but if you get the older version, it's like around 400 bucks, 500 bucks, and you just need a laptop and just create an account on ac.co.com and you'll be ready to go. Or if you're doing this for living, if you're doing this, you can just do this. Just get a tool like this and you can program it. This thing gets the pin number, everything. It does everything by itself. So right now I'm going to test the key, and as you can see, it works. And that means the key is programmed, and when you open the key, the anti-theft should go off. And it's off. And that will be the end of the video, guys. Hope you liked the video. Please, if you haven't subscribed, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, and see you next time, guys.